Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to split the editor in VS Code in 2026. Splitting the editor lets you work with multiple files side by side, which can be really useful when comparing code or moving information between files. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and open the files you want to work with. When you have multiple files open, you can move a tab into another editor group to create a split view. You can usually drag a File tab toward the side of the editor until VS Code shows a preview of where the file will be placed. Release the tab, and the editor will create a new group. Now you can view two files side by side. This is useful for comparing a source file with another file, checking documentation while coding, or working with related parts of a project at the same time. You can create additional editor groups when needed. VS Code supports different layouts, so you can arrange your files vertically, horizontally, or in a more customized grid. You can also move tabs between groups, drag a tab from one group to another, or use the available editor commands to change the layout. If the split view becomes too crowded, you can close individual tabs or editor groups. You can also use the layout controls to return to a simpler arrangement. Another useful feature is the ability to open the same file in another editor group when you need to view different sections of a long document. This can make navigating large files much easier. When working with several files, keep the most important ones visible and close anything you no longer need. A clean workspace can make a big difference when you're trying to focus. And that's how to split the editor in VS Code. Use editor groups to compare files, reference information, and work on multiple parts of a project without constantly switching tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next